Yo, what is going on, guys? It's your boy Big Lick Random Videos here with another video. Today we're not doing a gaming video. Today I wanna go with another video. This could be on, and then the gaming capture would be off. Alright. Remember, guys, I'm not banned. I can live stream again on May 2nd, which we're getting closer. Remember, I got a copyright strike just to give you guys a heads up. So I won't be able to stream again until this day, the 2nd. And yeah, alright. First thing, we gotta go to the NFL playoff predictor. Predictor. This is how I'm gonna do my videos from now on with that. Where, it's already over. The season's already over. But we are gonna do a different way. Let me look to the left. Alright, and then we're gonna do a tier list, and that's it. So my prediction was the Saints and Ravens going to the Super Bowl. That was wrong. This was the final prediction. This is wrong. Alright. We're gonna start off with Wild Card Weekend. So, this is how everything went off. Okay, the first game was Bills and Texans. I was right on that game. Houston did win 22-19. I was right on the Titans-Patriots game. Tennessee won. I believe it was. I believe it was 21-13 on that game. Seattle won 19-7. Or no, not 19. I believe it was 17-9. Hang on. NFL playoff scores.
The 49ers were beat by the Chiefs in the Super Bowl.
Alright, hang on, just ignore that. NFL wildcard scores. Alright. So, Texans won 22-19. Patriots won. No. Titans won. I meant to not like 21-13. It was 20-13. And then Seattle won 17-9. And then no. Houston won in overtime 22-19. The Titans won 20-13. The Vikings won in overtime 26-20. And then Seattle won 17-9 that week. Hang on. Alright, just give me a second. Divisional NFL scores. Divisional round NFL scores. Alright, there. We'll start off with, I believe the first game was the San Francisco one. Wait, what? It didn't even save. Wait. What the heck? Oh, man. It freaking messed up. I picked the Chiefs to win that one, and they did win. 51-31. I chose Baltimore, but I was wrong. Tennessee won like 28-12. Baltimore got shopped on. I picked San Francisco to win, and they won. What's it called? 27-10. And then I took Green Bay to win. What's it called? 28-23. I picked the Titans to win and the Niners to win, but the Niners did win in this game, and then Titans won that game. No. And then Chiefs won, and then it was the Niners. And then your Super Bowl winner is the Chiefs. They won 31-20. So this is your final playoffs predictor. And yeah, alright. Next video. We'll be back for that next season as well. So stay put. And yeah. MLB. What's it called? Ranking. teams S through F. Oops, hang on. How did he get it? Oh, it's tier list. I forgot. Tier list. Okay. No. Make your own. Boys baseball or MLB. 2020 season. I gotta create my own account for that. How can I log in? Just ignore it, I swear. I agree, blah, blah. I gotta follow it. I don't have Twitter right now. Just whatever. Let's see what I can do. Where is it, man? MLB ranking. Wait, I could just do. Let's just do let me search it up on the web. Hang on. 2020 tier. This is gonna be a long time, I swear. Let me just search up again. MLB ranking team let me see let's just do 2019. No, shortstop, shoot. Alright, whatever. Create. Hang on. I'm gonna turn off the display so nobody can see it. Display off. Alright, hang on. I'm just gonna do that. It's only my first time. It's only gonna be one time using it. Maybe it. Alright, hang on. Create account. Well, let's just do sports, or I don't know. Is there any other options? MLB. Baseball. Add row F. MLB 2020 tier list. Sports. There's no sports, I guess. Baseball. Oh, I gotta freaking browse it. Come on. I don't want to do this anymore, man. Oh, let's just do 2019 MLB tier list. Okay, okay, there. I got it. Alright, hang on. Alright, there. Alright, okay, we're gonna add the, this is not right. Could I change it to black? Alright, alright, there. How can I add one? I guess there's none. But, alright, I guess D will be D and F. I'll let you guys know about that. Alright. So, the Angels, I have no idea who are they gonna be this year. How they're gonna do. They got some good players, so I'm gonna, now take them up to the A zone because, they got Rendon, Jock Peterson, and good players since they got a trade update. The Astros, I think they're gonna either drop to. I think I'm gonna take them to the B or C because I'm gonna put them to the B this year because why? Why? Oh, hang on. What the heck? Can I? Oh, hang on. Ooh, I can do that. Nice. Alright. This I'll change it to F. Okay, this will go up. This will stay down, and this will be like red. Alright. Blue. F means is bad. This year the Athletics, I think they're gonna be the same, so I'll put them to the B zone. The Blue Jays got a little better. They got Ryu this year. I'm not gonna put them in the D because they got a better team this year. I'll put them in the C area, I guess. The Braves would go to the A because they got Ronald Acuna Jr., Ozzy Albies. They got a great team this year. The Brewers, I will put them B this year because they lost so many players. Like Mike Moustakas is gone, and yeah. The Cardinals, I think I'm gonna put them in the A zone this year. The Cubs, I think they're gonna be in the C zone this year because I don't know if Chris Bryant is gone as a Cub yet, but no, Cubs are about to be trashed really soon. It's gonna happen. The D-backs, they got Baumgartner and other players, so I think I'm gonna put them in the B area. Sorry guys, I got my cat in here, so that's why I did that. The Dodgers, they did get Mookie Betts yesterday, I think it was yesterday. I don't know. I know it was Wednesday or Tuesday. I can't remember. The Dodgers got Mookie Betts and Price now. They're gonna get better this year, even better than 106 wins. I think they're gonna get to 108. So I'll put them in the S tier. The Giants. I think this is the year they're gonna like break down tons of it. They're not gonna like give in close. I believe I'm gonna put them not in the F this year. I'm gonna put them. Actually, I'm gonna put them in the F. Why? Because they are trash. They don't even have to good players somewhere. Will Smith is gone and Bumgarner's gone. The Indians are putting them into the B area. The Mariners will go to B and D. Miami Marlins would probably go as an F. The Mets would go as a B. The Nationals will go as a. I'm not putting them as an A this year. Why? No, get out of here, Mama. You gotta run. Sorry. I don't think the Nationals will be at an A because I think they're gonna choke again. They only got lucky to win the World Series. I'm putting them as a B. Orioles will be at an F. The Padres, I guess I'm gonna put them as a. It's either gonna be a B or a C. This is gonna be a tough choice, but I think I'm gonna put them in a C because they're not ready to go to the B yet. But after the season, if they can prove everybody they're good, I'll put them to the B area next season. The Phillies will go as a B. The Pirates will go as a F this year. The Rangers will go as a I don't know fully, but I think they're gonna go as a C, like the Padres. The Rays, I'll put them as a B. The Red Sox, I'm putting them as a C. Or no, I'll put them in the B area instead because they're pretty good. I guess they're alright. The Reds, I think this is their time to shine. I'm gonna put them in the B zone this year. The Rockies, I'm gonna put them in a D. The Tigers will go as a F. The Twins will go as a A. The White Sox, I don't know. Yeah, we'll think about it. The Royals, I think they're gonna not go as an F. I'll put them as a D, but if they can't like prove, if they trash this year, I'm putting them as a F next season. But their future is gonna begin really soon. I know that. The White Sox, I'm putting them as a B. This is their better year this year. And then the Yankees are gonna go as a S. They got Garrett Cole. I think this is the perfect. I think this is perfect. I think this is the MLB tier list this year. You got, hey, look it. You got the Angels at an A. I was gonna put them as a B, but I think they're gonna go to the playoffs as a wild card team. I don't know. I put the Astros as a B because they are gonna lose. They're pretty much gonna be trashed really soon. I don't think they're gonna make it to the playoffs this year because they got a different coach and they cheated basically. So that's why I put it as a B. They would have been an A, but since they cheated, I'm putting them as a B. The Red Sox, I was gonna put them as C, but they're still alright, I guess. But if their coach is trash this year and they suck this year, I'm pretty much putting them as a C or a D next season. And then the White Sox and the Reds, these are big winners this season for the and most improvement for 2020. Why? The Reds finally improved on free agency. They got Mike Moustakas now. They got Nick Senzel ready. They got everybody ready. I think this is their year, same as the White Sox. They're ready too. They got Edwin Encarnacion, Yasmani Grandal, Dallas Keuchel, and other players. They got tons of power. I think this is their year as well to get to the playoffs. And yeah, that will do it, everybody. I wasn't doing gaming today. I was only doing, what's it called? MLB tier list and final NFL playoff predictions. So thank you guys for watching. If you guys are brand new to my channel, please drop a like and subscribe. Catch you guys next time. Bye.